All right. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you, and welcome back to the UK live session here. It is just about 2:30 a.m. Eastern. We are quickly moving towards the end of November series. It is 29th November. Uh, and let's get started off with a few trade setups here. Please watch out for today and tomorrow for uh, major highs and lows being formed, as we discussed the same yesterday as well. Uh, what I would like to do right now is let's begin with euro and let's start off with the daily chart setup here. If you look at the pattern here first, it has produced a perfect evening star for now, which is a potential bearish reversal indication. We are already short from two levels actually, where we booked partial profits. All the trade setups were updated on the Telegram channel. If you are still not there and if you want to trade with us, kindly join in there. It's absolutely free and it's done for traders. All right, so I would welcome you over there. One trade which we are standing on the short side is still pending. Okay, so the overall wave structure that we are looking at a small intermediary level is a drop from 1.2092 towards 1.15 is one boundary which is being retraced almost 60 close to 78%. We are looking for a drop further either towards 1.48 or maybe 1.40 or even lower towards 1.11. It should begin its journey on the downside anytime, maybe today. It's already done yesterday. The first signal is already there, and that's the evening star which we are talking about, and prices should drop quickly towards 1.17, and let's see how it is going to happen, or it is proposed to happen. All right, we would like to focus on the counter trend rally, which is right up there on your screens. Let's do a trend line here. We need one more stoppage. We need one more break of this trend line. This trend line is now passing through 1800 levels. If you look at the support, the first support is now coming, or major support is now coming at 1.1713, and below that it is 1.1533. Right, so we are expecting the move to continue lower. Soft targets are 1700 mark. Once it breaks below 1800, that is good for us. Okay, how do we expect this to happen now? Let's go on an hourly chart. Okay, let's do some wave counts here quickly. There was the first one. Now let's use the Roman numbers here. It's just about the first degree, that's why. And then you had wave 2. To make it a bit bolder. All right. I think wave 3 is either done, or wave 3 is going to go towards 1800 levels. We are working out towards a wave 4 potentially here. and if this is going to be true, I mean, if we are looking for wave 2, we can have a slight Fibonacci retracement or correlation as well. Should be around 38.2%. I think it's just about that level right now. It's just about testing the 38.2% mark at this point in time. So let's say we are expecting a reversal, a bearish reversal from here, maybe somewhere around uh, the current levels as well. Prices should not go above 1897, so that's where you can have your stop loss. If you're just joining us or tuning in, we are already short from 1870, but if you want to take some fresh position, you can take it now. For an intraday kind of a trade setup, you can have your stop loss around the 1900 mark. And wait a minute, I'll just get the extensions as well. Just a moment, I just got disconnected for a few seconds. I'm back up again. I don't know what happened. So what we were discussing was, if you are an active kind of a trader, then you would want to subscribe live as well. But these are live setups that we are discussing. It's not that's the wave 3, wave potential wave 4 in the making, and I think we are heading towards at least 1.1768 or even lower, maybe 1.1734. all right, so watch out for 1.1768, and if we look at the alternate count, I think wave 3 would actually go and terminate around 1.17, and then we have a wave 4, and then we have a wave 5. In short, Euro USD bears should be targeting 1.1700 levels for now. All right. Okay, I think the connection is there proper now. Let's see if it goes without a problem here. So Euro USD, we are still looking on the south side, brothers and sisters. Kindly remain on the short side. Let's go on to the dollar index chart now. It's probably more or less the same thing that we have discussed on the euro, but on the opposite side, please. If you're looking into this wave counts, I think that's the first one. Wave 2, probably wave 3, wave 4, that will be wave 5. This is what is looking like the short-term wave counts. All right. So one more high expected before it drops lower. Meaningful retracement down there. We're already long from 93.20. If you want to take positions here, you may still go long, but the risk remains at least below 92.50 or ideally it should go up. If you are a swing kind of a trader, ideally it should go below the 91 mark. Alright, prices should if this wave count is supposedly going to hold, then prices should, I mean, it would not drop, or it should not drop below 94.50, and I think it should not drop below 92.90 as well. Alright, so long in the dollar index for now. The entire wave structure looks good and constructive for bulls to take or carry further from here. That's your first leg. Then the corrective drops A, B, C. The entire retracement has also turned out to be at the 61.8%. Prices bouncing from the 61.8%. So hang in there, brothers, on the long side. Okay, another interesting chart setup is for gold. Let's spend some time here before I wrap this session. On a daily chart outlook, let's spend at least 2 to 3 minutes here. It's been doing, or I'll have to go on a weekly chart first. If we look at the wave structure since November 2015, it has been doing 3 waves, A, B, C, and then A, B, C, and then A, B, C, and then, so that's the first leg. Second leg down, third leg up. Are we expecting a fourth leg down? A, B, C could be way much underway, and if this is what is happening, then please remember, gold is not expected to rally, at least, or rally or drop, at least for now. It's going to be in the consolidation stage. That's the that could be a triangle forming, A, B, C. I think we are into the D wave, which should kind of terminate towards the 1200 mark, and then we will also have a rally towards wave E before the triangle structure completes and it gives way to bears again. We all know that that's a corrective rally which began from 2015. We were expecting a break above 1374. If that hadn't happened, then we would have targeted 1420, 1450 levels, but that is not happening right now. So if I connect the dots here for a triangle setup, that would be AC, and we are expecting a BD, right? Somewhere here. It could be dropping towards 1200 or maybe 1180. Please remember the correlation between wave D would be B and D, right? So that's a normal correlation. So the distance traveled by wave B, 61% of distance traveled by wave B would be the actual wave D. So you can just calculate the distance traveled by wave B multiplied by 0.618, and that's the distance we should get for the wave D. That brings us to 1200. Right. So consolidation will continue within the shorter time frame as well. So longer time frame we are targeting 1200, short term to mid term, all right. And right now it is again consolidating, and it could be producing or wanting to produce a flat which could go and actually terminate around the 1306 1307 mark, or maybe 1310. Remains to be seen how price action is behaving in the next 1 or 2 days, uh, but the maximum push is around the past resistance at 1305 1306 levels, brothers, right. So all in all, gold is looking very good on the short side. Selling on rallies is going to yield good dividends for you. Don't go long, that's a bull trap. That's this watch out this angle. Just by watching the angle itself, one can conclude that what is going on here is nothing but a corrective rally, nothing else. Alright, so three instruments discussed here. Euro, we are still contemplating shorts, targeting around 1770 1700 levels. Dollar index long, one more high expected, and gold selling on rallies still remains very much on the cards. All right. If you are a serious kind of a trader, active trader, you should consider joining the free Telegram channel at, you can search for Japee on the channel. You can visit, or you can simply visit Japee at .business.site. Many things are coming up still, but at least all the free stuff, YouTube link and the Telegram link is up there. Alright, so once again, let's bring this session to a pause here. Sorry for the small disruption in between, and I hope you could enjoy the remaining part of it. I'll be uploading the videos shortly here on the channel, Telegram channel as well. And let's meet up again after a few hours during the New York live at 8 AM Eastern now. Until then, good luck to your trades, and thank you for joining in. Take care and God bless. Goodbye.